Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel. Today we are going to review the Malayalam language film called Drishyam 2 The Resumption, which released on 19th Feb 2021, just a few days back on Amazon Prime Video. Produced by Mr. P. Anthony of Ashirwad Cinemas and written and directed by Mr. Jeetu Joseph. Before we talk about Drishyam 2 The Resumption, it's very important to know about Drishyam 1, which had released 6 years back in 2013 in Malayalam and thereafter remade in several languages. So first, if you want to see Drishyam 2, it's very important to know what the backstory is about Drishyam 1, only then it will make sense. So we'll quickly run through about what happens in Drishyam 1. Drishyam 1, released in 2013, was a very successful and critically acclaimed movie, and it was a resounding success all over India and all over the world in various languages, as it was very beautifully written, enacted and directed. So in Drishyam 1, the lead protagonist was Mohanlal sir, who's a big superstar of Malayalam films. He plays the character of George Kutty, who's a small-time cable operator and has a very happy and simple family life with his wife and 2 daughters, and they're living a very peaceful, happy and contented family life until a big event happens in their life. One night the hero George Kutty is out for his cable business, and some pervert guy comes, a 16-17-year-old kid comes and tries to molest his daughter and harass her. And in that situation, accidentally the family ends up killing that boy. And the rest of the movie was about how the boy's mother, who's a very aggressive, very strict and Inspector General of Police, Prabhakar, and how she badly wants to catch them and put them in jail, and how George Kutty is doing everything possible to save his family from going to prison for the accidental death caused by them. Although George Kutty was a small-time cable operator businessman, but still he does everything possible with his intelligence to outsmart the police by creating a situation. He creates something called Drishyam, means a visual. Drishyam means a visual that everybody who was supposed to be a witness testify in his favor, and that way he was able to escape from the law and save his family from the law. And that's where the movie had ended, with the police officer, the lady Inspector General of Police, Prabhakar. She was very, very angry, wanting revenge for her only son who had been killed by this family, but she can't find the witnesses, she can't find the evidence, and that's where the movie had ended, when the hero had been able to save the family. So that was the end of the first part. Victory for cable operator George Kutty and big defeat for the lady Inspector General. Now coming to Drishyam 2, people were really looking forward to the sequel of Drishyam. It's a 2.5-hour movie which has released on OTT platform Amazon Prime Video. So the first 1 hour 5 minutes, they've just shown George Kutty has grown as a business person. From his cable business, he now runs a theatre, he owns a cinema hall and is planning to get into film production. He's hired someone to write a script for him and is living a very happy, normal family life with his wife and 2 daughters who have grown up. They are going about their daily life, but they're always living under the fear that what if one day they are caught? What if the evidence comes out one day? What if the dead boy's body is found and the police are able to reach to him? So as soon as the first 1 hour ends, they've shown simultaneously that the police, who are really hurting and who are really angry and who are very desperate to catch George Kutty and put him in prison, and his family also in prison. So the police officers, the best of the best police investigating officers from Kerala police are on the case. Basically the setup is a small village in Kerala. So all of them are still behind him, that secretly they are trying to find some evidence, some clues, some witnesses which will nail George Kutty and his wife. And George Kutty and his family are living a happy, normal life, sometimes getting scared. First hour is really very slow and very non-happening, non-eventful. But as soon as the first hour gets over, suddenly the movie comes alive, and it turns out that George Kutty is going to be caught. That's what the movie is all about. And will he again be able to save his family this time, his daughter, his wife and himself, from the strict eyes of the police officers and the investigating officers? So the last 1.5 hours is really good, very gripping and all, and whether George Kutty is again able to save his family and himself, or he'll land up in jail. So that's what the whole movie is all about. It's gripping, it's edge of the seat entertainment, and it keeps you hooked. You will come to know in the end whether George Kutty was able to save himself and his family, whether he was able to fool the police one more time. Personally speaking, it was a fantastic experience for me, and I would suggest people that please watch it. The movie has been released by such a big company, a OTT platform called Amazon Prime Video. Coming to the cast and crew of the movie, all of them have done a pretty good job. Mr. P. Anthony, the producer, and production company Ashirwad Cinema has done an excellent job. It's a great production, great visuals, great production values. So very good where production is concerned. Written and directed by Mr. Jeetu Joseph. He's done an excellent job like he had done with the first one. Direction has done an excellent job. He's been able to keep the audience interest, and he's able to remove great performances from the actors. The scenes are very well enacted. So great job by Mr. Jitu Joseph. Music by Mr. Anil Johnson is excellent. Especially the background music, it really adds to the value of the scenes and all. So the music director has done a fantastic job. The cinematography by K. Satish captured the beauty of the village of Kerala very well. The lights, the angles, everything was excellent. So good cinematography by Mr. Satish. The editing done by Mr. Vinayak, I would say that really was so good this time. Coming to the actors, the role of George Kutti played beautifully by Mohanlal sir. He's done an excellent job. You just fall in love with him. He's so vulnerable, he's so strong, he's so intelligent. You just feel like you love the character and you root for him, like you want him to succeed, whether he's good or bad, but you want him to succeed. Mohanlal played the character beautifully. He has a huge fan base, not just in Kerala or in the south, but all over India, all over the world. People love him. The character of Rani, played by Meena. Rani is the wife of George Kutti, who's a beautiful actress. She enacted the role really well. We could feel her fear, her insecurities, her tensions, her stress. So she played her part very beautifully. And the character of the elder daughter Anju, played by Anjiba Hussain, she's done an excellent job. The fears on her face, the tensions, the stress, she was very effective, and you really feel the pain and the anxieties that she's going through. So this young lady who played the elder daughter of George Kutti, she played an excellent role, and you really believe what she's doing. Esther Anil, she played the role of the younger daughter Anu. She was a school going girl in this movie, and she played a part very beautifully. She was very sweet, very endearing. Full marks to her. The actor Murli Gopi played the part of IPS Thomas. For me, he was my favorite character. He was the main police officer who's supervising this case from the last 6 years and trying to nail George Kutti. This man played a wonderful role. I just loved every time he was on screen. His gait, his anger, his sharpness, his smartness, the way he walks, his body language was first rate. He was really amazing, and you felt like there's some serious police officer on the job and he's going to get George Kutti this time. So very well played by this gentleman. Great acting by Murli Gopi. Miss Asha Sarath, she played the role of the retired Inspector General of Police Prabhakar. She did a fantastic job. She was looking very dangerous, very vengeful, and like she badly wants him to get arrested. So she did her part really well. The anger came through, and without her the movie would not have been what it is. So great work by ma'am. The role of the dignified Mr. Prabhakar, IG Prabhakar's husband, played by Mr. Siddiqui. He did a wonderful job as a restrained husband, as a human person, as a man with a heart, and you really do empathize with his character. The character of Inspector Philip, played by Mr. Ganesh Kumar, excellent. He was there throughout the movie. He's on the job. He's trying to get them. Great job by him. Mr. Ajit K played the character of Jose, the guy who's ex-convict who's out of the jail. He looks very scary. He looks like a convict. So it was very believable, that part, and great casting, I would say, of all the police officers and this convict, of the supporting actors, and great work by everybody. The actress Anjali Nair, she played the character of Sarita, who's the neighbor of George Kutti and his family. Could really feel for her. She played as a victim, a housewife who's harassed by her husband. She did a great job. Sumesh Chandran played the character of Sabu, who's the neighbor, and he's drunk, he's violent with his wife, and you could feel what he's doing is believable. So he played a great part. Mr. Sai Kumar played the role of the screenwriter Vinay Chandran. He's very good, and he performed his role really well. The producer of the movie, P. Anthony, he played one of the police sub-inspectors, Anthony. He did a great job. He was proper in it. Santi Maya Devi played the role of the defense advocate for George Kutti, Advocate Renuka. She had a couple of great scenes and she performed really well, and she looked like she's a strong advocate who's trying to save George Kutti come what may. Very good acting by her. Joy Matthew played the advocate Janardhan. He's the public prosecutor fighting on behalf of the police to get George Kutti behind bars and in trouble. So he did a great job, great performance by him. Mr. Adam Ayub, he played the judge in the court. He had a couple of good scenes, very well casted and very believable. So great job by the actor who played the judge. The performances were great, the acting was great, the background music was fantastic. I am a huge fan of Mohanlal sir from many years. So personally I would recommend people to go and watching this movie. Thank you so much for watching us. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode soon. So a goodbye and a warm namaste from India.